G, is it me? Or does it seem like people give up on things way too easily these days? I mean, when I was growing up, man, when we needed information, we had to pick up a book and actually read the book. You had to go to someone and ask a question. But these days, that's not a thing with the internet. It's really not. The other driver that came out on it said he couldn't get it to move. All right, no problem. So I'm out here on it. The gear shifter is all bound up. It won't shift, none of that good stuff. But there's always another way. There's always another way, man. Y'all just can't, you gotta stop giving up. You gotta stop giving up. You know, every call is not gonna be easy. This is towing, man. Like, you know, we the people that people call when their cars break down. Now, who they gonna call when the tow truck come out and the tow truck can't do it? Then who do you call? Right? How else you gonna move a car? It's a damn shame when you see people out here with trucks and trailers moving their cars because they got no faith in the towing industry no more. Take the time to learn the information you need to know to do the job. I mean, it don't matter if that's towing. It don't matter if that's working at McDonald's. It don't matter what it is that you do for a living. Take the time to figure out your job and become the best that you can possibly be at that job. That's the only way you're gonna get good. Invest in yourself.